Hey everyone, welcome back to Natalie's Life. Today I am very excited to share with you a hair tutorial that you can basically do in your sleep. It is so simple, so quick, it only takes a few minutes. So before we get started, make sure to click that subscribe button. Also make sure to click that bell so you can get notifications about all my upcoming videos. And if you've done that, let's get started. For this hair tutorial, you will need two things, just a brush and a few bobby pins, and that's it. It is so simple. This is my wake up in the morning hair. So what we need to do first is brush our hair. Okay, that looks great. You can always straighten or curl your hair with this hairstyle if you prefer. I'm not doing that. I have naturally wavy hair, so I'm just going to do this hair tutorial with my natural hair. So what we're going to do is take just a little piece of hair, just about like that, and we're just going to start twisting it backwards. So what I mean by that is, for example, just twist it like this, but let me start over here. So it's kind of like a French braid as you add more hair, so we're going to start twisting and make it really tight. That is key. So start twisting and then add some hair, and then just keep adding and twisting, and you can see how tight I'm holding it. And you can make this as thick or as thin as you'd like. I'll show you both in this tutorial today. So that looks about as far back as I would like it. So I'm going to take a bobby pin, put it in the back, take another bobby pin, kind of make an X, and then put some hair over it. And you can spray your hair with hairspray if you prefer. For me, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, it just depends. But this is the thinner version. It kind of was a little bit of both. So it started out thin and then it became thick, but it's just a very cute, simple hairstyle that you can do super quick, and you will walk into school or work and someone will say, "Oh, your hair looks so nice." And it looks as if you worked on it all morning, but it literally took seconds. So this is the look, and it is pretty loose. That's why when we twist it backwards, we make it really tight, because when we put in the bobby pins, it loosens up. You can always make it tighter with more bobby pins or whatnot, but I kind of prefer the looser twist. Okay, so now I will show you the thicker version of this hairstyle. It's the same process, just adding more hair and starting with more hair. So instead of starting with about this much before, we're actually going to we will have this much hair. So it's the same process, just start twisting. And as you're noticing, I am adding a lot more hair. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So that is the thicker version. and it kind of went a little bit farther back, so it gives just a little bit different look. So it just depends on what you prefer, what you like for your hair. And if I was going to do this twist instead of the previous twist, I would probably add more bobby pins just because I do have thick hair. So this is what it looks like with the thicker version. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Make sure you click that subscribe button and make sure to click the bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Thank you for all of you that are currently subscribed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!